Howdy, howdy, everybody. Good morning. Today is Monday, and it is currently like 6:30 a.m. And we got a lot of orders going out on eBay today, so we got to get over there and get them packed. We got the air conditioning guy coming at like 8 to fix the air conditioner because something was wrong with the pipes and they were draining like into the neighbor's shop, so they got to come fix that. We got to work through more of them audio books and try to figure that stuff out in them bears. And if y'all are new to my channel, my name is Colton, and I sell online with my wife Courtney. We do this full time. We sell on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark. Courtney's in the house right now. She had to fill up her tea glass, so we're waiting on her before we can head over there. Y'all want to hear a joke? What's round and angry? And if one of you say Colton, any guesses? Round and angry? It's a vicious circle. Ain't that cheesy, but it's funny. Anyhow, y'all come with us. Let's get over here and pull these orders.
Okay, so I went ahead and pulled these books since they were kind of hard to get to. So first we sold these 4 Julie Garwood books, and we sold them for $8.75 plus shipping. Next is these Linda Miller books, and there's 9 of them. We sold these for $13.96 plus shipping. Next we're gonna pull an Area 51 game, and so we're gonna go right here to the rack. This is just the disc only. We sold it for $9.45 plus shipping. Next we're gonna pull a Hunter remote that we got the other day. It is this right here. And for this, we got $55.99 plus shipping. So that's a good bolo item to look out for. Okay, so now we're gonna pull 5 Lisa Gardner audiobooks out of that big lot we've already listed. And it is these 5 right here. Just listed these the other day. And for these, we got $20.26 plus shipping.
Alrighty, so now we got a Powwise bowl feeder on M2. This one right here. Picked this up for $1 at Dollar Day. It's got a self-timer. It's got 2 different things you can do, which is actually pretty cool. And I think it's got some ice packs in here too, I ain't sure. And this ended up selling for $24.49 free shipping. Now we got to pull a John Wayne car. This one right here. And this was one of those Racing Champion cars. Took it out the box, see if it helped it sell better. It did. And this one ended up selling for $13.96 plus shipping. Now we sold a mug, a Mickey Mouse beach mug on G2. It's this ginormous one here. I took an offer on it. Probably shouldn't have now that I feel how big this joker is. $15 free shipping. When you take an offer and you realize you had free shipping on. Have a moment of silence. Now we sold a glass, sugar, and cream on K1. These right here is a cream and a sugar. It's cut glass. I don't know who makes it, but it's kind of heavy. Pretty good stuff, I think. And for this, we sold it for $13.99 plus shipping. Now we got to get a chatterbox unit. No idea where this thing is.
It's right there in the front.
This right here come off a motorcycle helmet I had bought and sold the helmet. But I took this little piece off along with the charger and sold it separate as untested because I didn't want to test it. And this ended up selling for us for $10.46 plus shipping. So let us get this little bit of stuff here packed up, and then we'll come back at y'all with the rest because our shipping table is full of audiobooks. Alrighty, so we went ahead. We got an air conditioner guy here, so we're kind of working around him. We got those packed up right there. So the next thing we're going to pull is this lot of $19.99 wrestlers. They're all from $19.99, just a lot of them.
There's 13.
13 of them. These sold for $34.99 plus shipping. And then we sold 7 of the Fern Michaels audio books. And these sold for $24.49 plus shipping. Now we got to go pull on into some Atlanta Olympic pins. They're going to be in here.
These are the audiobooks we've got listed already.
And then them behind us is the ones we got to work on next. We had to move them off the shipping table. Where you at, buddy? Are we sure they're in here?
No.
Uh-oh.
Then they're going to be in C1 with the rest of them.
Alrighty, so Courtney is looking for those Olympic pins because we don't know where they're at. But while she does that, we're going to go ahead and pull the next thing. We got to get a lot of Scrappy Cat clear stamps in C1. So let's go. So it's going to be these right here. This is just a little lot of the Scrappy Cat stamps. You'll see a comp on the screen there. And for these, we sold these for $22.75 plus shipping. Now we got to grab a bat off of M1. Picked this up at the yard sales this past week ago, about a week ago, and paid $2 for this, and this ended up selling for $27.99 plus shipping. She just assumed because they was pens, because we usually keep all our pens in that little shoebox, that's where they'd be, and they weren't. They were skewed into a barrel.
Because we've had them forever.
But anyhow, we found them, thank the goodness, and these ended up selling for us for $11.51 plus shipping. So let us pack this stuff right here up, because like I say, they're working on the air conditioner, and we'll pack this up and then we'll come back at y'all when we get this done. Alrighty guys and gals, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize. This video has been probably a little crazy. We've had a lot going on this morning. One, I forgot to, well, I filmed how to run a sale on your store yesterday for today's video, but something happened with the footage and it accidentally got messed up, deleted, gone. Then we had the air conditioner guy in here, and we got a lot of orders. It's Monday morning, everything's kind of crazy, so I apologize, but nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and pull some more orders so we can get them packed up. So we sold a ground pepper container on J2. This right here, it's a jewel net weight 4 ounces ground black pepper, just 0.10, and it's actually pretty full. We sold this nonetheless. This sold for $11.89 plus shipping. Now we got to get a Casper PS2 game on the rack. Look, we got our rack buried, so we'll just scroll right down through here looking for Casper. Right here it is, down here on the very bottom. So this is just Casper Spirit Dimensions for the PS2. It is complete, disc and manual, and this sold for $3.84 plus shipping. Now we got to get a 42-inch Confidence HQ7 iron. Yep, it's got a little head cover on it. It says 3/4. Alrighty, so this is a golf club, obviously. And it's Confidence stainless steel HQ7 3/4 something other with a 0 on it. No idea. But I listed it and it sold, and this ended up selling for $17.46 plus shipping. We got a few different items going out to one person, but we got to get a RCA tape player out of D1. So we'll pull this one first. We just picked this up this past, I think, weekend it was, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yep, this past weekend when we bought all these audio books. And this ended up selling for $15.05. Now we got to get a Quiddler game on M2.
Right there at the end.
Right there it is. Look at that. This is Quiddler for the Fun of Words, the short word game, and it's new old stock from 1998. And this ended up selling for $9.76. Now we got to get 2 Funko WB figures in D1. There's a Yogi. Man, what's up, Doc? We bought these last year. We were hunting, what was we hunting? Pepe Le Pew.
Yeah.
One of these went really good, so we went crazy on these blind boxes, kind of like gambling on them. Never did find them, but we bought a bunch of these little jokers. And these two ended up selling. They're Walgreens exclusives. These sold for $6.07. Now we got to get 2 different cars, so let's grab them real quick. We sold this right here and this right here. So this right here is a 1958 GMC Fleetwood option truck. It's the Moon Pie edition. Buddy, we've been talking about some moon pies. I like them banana moon pies, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Sold this right here for $8.71. This right here is a Hooters. I ain't gonna take it out, but you'll see a comp on the screen of it. It's a Hooters bank die-cast. Got the key in it and everything. Looks in excellent condition. 18-wheeler with a trailer, and this ended up selling for $15.75. All one buyer bought this stuff right here, so we're gonna combine the shipping on this stuff and refund them the difference back. We're gonna get this stuff packed up and sent out to them. Now we got to pull some Epson ink. This was a horrible buy. I bought it at that estate sale or garage sale where we bought all these. Should have looked it up. It's Epson 273 ink. If y'all see this out at the store, stay away from it like the plague or the corona. Don't pick this up because it is not good. This is expired, but this ended up selling for $6.96 free shipping. Now we got to go over to D1 and get an Iowa voice recorder. Picked this up at the thrift store where we got them Ray Dunn mugs the other day, and this is just an Iowa NFR TP M330 voice recorder. It does work. I tested it and talked into it for a little bit, and this ended up selling for $19.25 plus shipping. Paid $5 for that at the thrift store. And now we got to get 12 classic TV, VHS, and M2B. Alrighty, so we sold these 12 VHS tapes here. We got the Dick Van Dyke, Mary Tyler Moore, Lucy, Beverly Hillbillies, and the Waltons. Just a random lot of 12. And these are all used. And these sold for $10.41 plus shipping. Alrighty, guys and gals. So it is now 3:34. And it's been a busy Monday. We've had to get all them orders packed up and shipped out, and there was a lot of them today. We're dealing with all these audio books, trying to get as many of them listed as we can. The wife made me drive 30 miles each direction to get her some Krispy Kreme donuts, so that took some time. We got a little bit here with us just right now.
Hey.
This is my youngest Lily. She's been out in the yard playing, so nonetheless, we got this right here sent to us from Miss Jessica. So we're gonna open this thing up and see what we got in here. So we're just gonna take this knife here and we're gonna cut it. Man, that's some good tape. Feel that stuff. That's that high dollar tape right there. High dollar tape. Y'all check this out. I'll show you this first. Check, that is an authentic stop sign. Y'all see that joker? Got some like spray paint, looks like graffiti on it, rustic looking. That's beautiful. Only thing missing from that thing is a couple bullet holes in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, Miss Jessica. We're gonna hang this up in the shop here, right over yonder.
We could always take it to the shooting range, put a few bullet holes in it.
Alright, let's see what else she's seen. She told me she was sending this. Y'all see this right here? Mental health is just as important as physical health. Ain't that the truth? Selling online, it is especially the truth. I mean, we just cooped up in this building all day, ain't we?
Yeah.
So that is awesome. We're gonna hang that up too. Mental health is an important subject. A lot of people struggle with depression, anxiety, PTSD, that kind of deal. So I'm more than happy to hang this right here up. So we're gonna get this hung, and we're gonna get this puppy hung up. And that thing's awesome. Ain't that awesome?
Yep.
So thank you so much, Miss Jessica. We sure do appreciate all the support and love you've shown us. And I'll come back to you when I get that hung up. Alrighty, guys and gals. So we hung the poster right here. And I put that beautiful stop sign right there. Man, this wall is looking beautiful and beautiful and beautiful. Alrighty, guys and gals. So now what I'm doing, I'm actually working on this video here that you're watching. I just working on the clips I got done right now, editing them up because I don't want to get too far behind. I use this LumaFusion right here. You can see right here how the program is. It's got your volume scale. Y'all can see the little waves down in it right here. And then see right here where there's a line where it's flat. That means there's nobody's talking, or maybe me breathing heavy. That's what we're doing now, just editing out. So basically whenever I edit video, I just play it through.
We sold these for $13.96 plus shipping.
And then I'll see where she stops, the line quits. I snap it right there, clip it, and then play it.
Shipping. Next.
And then whenever she goes to here, we'll snip it again, select delete, and we just run through the whole video this way.
Next we're gonna pull.
See this gap? She's hesitating when she talks.
Next we're gonna pull an Area 51 game.
So
Shipping. Next we're gonna pull
big gap. So we're gonna cut that out. So y'all won't ever see that. So I'm just gonna take that little part out. So now it's.
Next we're gonna pull an Area 50.
See that? And then we just go down through this whole video doing that same thing right there. And then I'll go back in here and I'll show you right here. Hold on. So to get the picture up on the video, I go into my eBay here, my solds. I'll do a screenshot, boom, okay. Exit off of that, we'll go back into our editing software, okay. And then where I need to put this, hold on, pull up our all photos. So where we need to add this photo.
These books, since they were kind of hard to get to. So first we sold these 4 Julie Garwood books. And we sold them for.
So I'll put it right about here. And then we take this and we overlay it here. And then we have to fit this to the screen. So we fit it like that, okay. And now we're going to change the size and position. So we want to move it over to here. So it's not right in front of her face. Crop it down so y'all don't have to see all that. And then go back. And
4 Julie Garwood books.
Pops up on the screen.
We sold them for.
And then we'll bring the picture out so it lasts the whole clip. So this right here is what y'all will see.
We sold these 4 Julie Garwood books. And we sold them for $8.75 plus shipping. Next is these.
So we have to do that with every sale. We want to put an overlay of what y'all so y'all can see the listing. Take a picture off of eBay, overlay it onto the already edited footage, and then adjust that up into the corner wherever we put it. Editing is very tedious, and this is just the first clip, and I'll have to go through probably 40 minutes of footage and do this, and then cut out the big chunks or stuff that ain't relevant to get it down to 10 minutes or 12 minutes. I mean, it takes some time, but it's fun, so that's what we're doing now. Alrighty guys and gals, buddy, that hat ain't doing me justice. It is currently 7:46 p.m. We're just now leaving the shop here, fixing to head home. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it.
Please smash that subscribe button, and if you'd like to see more, hit the notification bell.
Right. And thank you all so much, and we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Bye y'all.